raar maken. Raar litman.
Barbecue time!
Even though what you was doing wasn't tasteful. Even though you out here looking so ungrateful, I'ma keep it moving, be classy and graceful. I told him it's no friends in the game, you ain't learned that yet. All the bitches you hate, don't learn that yet. Niggas want respect, but niggas ain't earned that yet. Self-righteous in the title.
Kerambrong apa ambil wakasay. Jangan depan nerang ilsi.
Support you when it's beneficial. I'ma forgive, I won't forget, but I'ma dead the issue. Soon as you out of niggas' lives is when they start to miss you. They see you doing good, now it's kinda hard to dish you. Niggas be sick when they remember all the bad they wished you. Niggas be mad when they can't come and live lavish with